Hey everybody, Flash here again. Today I'm going to show you guys basically how to use the PvP Mystic Forge. There's two separate Mystic Forges now. There's one for the PvE items, and then there's also one for PvP items. I do believe you can use both, but there's one situated in Lion's Arch for easy access for PvE users, and then there's one in the Heart of the Mists for PvP players. So, to start off with, I'm going to show you how you make items from your PvP gear. So, first of all, what I want to talk about is these salvage kits. Basically, you know how in Beta Week Event 2, Arena implemented reward chests, and basically you couldn't pick what gear you wanted. Instead, now you have to open up an RNG chest that will give you random items. So you don't always get what item you want now. However, in Beta Week Event 3, they implemented changes to the Mystic Forge that now allows you to use these salvage kits to get pieces of a recipe towards making whatever weapon you want. So, how do you make what weapon you want? You have to purchase one of these tokens. So, for example, here I bought the, what do I have here? I believe I bought the Greatsword token. So yeah, here we go, we have a Greatsword token. And then we also have a Hammer token. Now, these tokens, it doesn't matter what grade they are, because what you're going to need anyways is these tokens here, which are called rabbit tokens. So, what I mean by rabbit token, here you see a rank, right? See how I'm the rabbit rank? So basically in this game, I believe it's every 10 ranks, you gain a different rank symbol. In this case I have a rabbit, so when I get rank 10, I believe you turn into like a bird or an eagle or something like that. So you would get a higher level token. So whenever you salvage an item that you get from these gold chests, so you can see here it says gold rabbit chest. So all the items in this, they're only going to be a very low level rank. But as I progress and get to higher ranks, you'll be able to purchase, like for example here, rank 10. I'm not rank 10, but as you can see, when I hit rank 10, I'll be able to buy a different type of token from this vendor over here. So basically what you do now is you open up a chest, you use these PvP salvage kits by double clicking, and then you just click on the respective piece of gear. So like say you get a bunch of light armor pieces and your heavy armor class, you could just break those down and you will get these crafting materials. So for example, I broke down a couple of my own items. So I got this, some of these rabbit tokens, although I heard these are very rare to get. And then as well as this arcane orb. So once you gain a couple materials, what you need is you need 3 materials, 3 of those random materials that you get. You need a token, and then you also need a rabbit token. So we're gonna head over to the Mystic Forge now. And now I have my Greatsword token. So I use my Greatsword token here. The rabbit token, which gives me the level of the item. So like I said before, if you have like an eagle token, this greatsword that you make will be a higher level greatsword. And then I add my arcane orb, and then my powder. And so now you can see I can forge my greatsword that I want. Now, I believe the greatsword that I'll get is either the makeshift greatsword or the peacemaker greatsword. So we're gonna forge this and see what we get now. So yeah, we got the peacemaker greatsword, right? So that's basically how this works now. So even if you do get items that you don't want, you can always just come back to the Mystic Forge and then craft whichever weapon you want. So you can see now, I'm really happy because I got a greatsword that I will enjoy using, which is really nice. And I mean, this took me about maybe 4 or 5 matches before I got all the materials I needed to make this greatsword. So it's not like it's a really, really big burden or hassle to do it. It's just another little thing that Arena has implemented to allow you to basically get what you want. But I know a lot of people will still rather have the old system where you could just buy whatever you wanted. But I think this is a fine way to do it. But so yeah, that's basically how you craft items now for the PvP gear. I'm really looking forward to seeing what the higher level weapons and stuff will look like. It'll be really fun to craft that kind of stuff. So anyways guys, if you enjoyed this video, subscribe and look forward to more videos in the future. I'll be looking towards creating a little PvP montage video, so keep your eyes peeled for that. Thanks for watching.